Now, we're all guilty to some extent of burying our essential message inside what I call industry jargon. Listen and watch for it, and you'll see that almost all of us do it. Almost every industry and the people inside those industries has a certain way of speaking, have very specific procedures, products, terms, conditions that are specific to those industries that we use a lot. That's how we talk inside our circles of those kinds of businesses, but it's not how the people that we're trying to reach talk. They don't use that same language. We're trying to connect with them using our own industry jargon. Think of it this way. If you were trying to connect with someone who spoke French, would you do your ad and your social posts in English? Have a look to make sure that you're not speaking an entirely different language than the people you're trying to reach.